Kitchen. So today we are here again with another recipe.
Mixed carrot food.
And ginger.
Yes, and ginger.
Today I'm the cameraman, so I'm the camera woman.
What the
Carrot and ginger mix.
Carrot and ginger mix.
Yes.
We are going to use our juice extractor.
Yes, guys. This is the carrot and the ginger with the lime. We have already squeezed the lime, but this one we are going to use this to garnish the carrot mix. So now some of them they use blender to blend this one. They use water on it, but me I want to make it natural, not water, anything at all. So we are going to use juice
Extractor.
for that. So this one I'm going to use, but if you don't have this one, the juice extractor, you use your blender, you are okay. But if you use your blender, you have to use water to blend it. So now we are going to start. Today I'm the camera lady.
So loud.
So you ask me if you mix them with the ginger.
The ginger one.
Just put anyone. Don't scared, mama. No, don't scared. See how it will blend wonderful. Mix them with it.
Wow, that juice is flowing up.
So guys, we finished the carrots and ginger mix.
And now
So we are going. You are gonna what?
I'm gonna get a cup.
You're gonna get it cup. No, sweetheart, you have to mix the lime first.
Oh, lime.
So now we didn't blend it inside blender so we can put water. We will make our own the juice extraction. But if you don't have it, use a blender. It's not a problem.
You also need to put
Then we are going to mix it with lime. No, Aisha, give me a cup. I'll mix it inside the cup.
I can get the cup.
So see how it looks like. Wonderful. The ginger is inside. Amazing.
I wanna turn
The carrot mix.
juice.
Be careful, okay?
I should be careful.
Pour all inside.
I will never miss.
So now that we are going to transfer it. Today we mix the Korean and English. We are going to transfer it inside the jug. So we take some of the lime to mix it inside. So pour in the lime inside. It's okay. It's okay. I don't need too much lime.
So add this more.
Okay, add that one small.
So
So it depends what you like.
It's
It's all up to you.
I
Mix it.
put the carrot.
I want to taste it. Let me see. Give me small cup, so let me try.
So I put, so I will never.
Mix it. So see how the video is very easy, simple, and this carrot has a lot of benefits for your body. Amazing benefits for your body.
That's what I said last time. Carrot juice are very important.
So you don't drink them.
It's okay.
Mix. How do it taste?
Let me try it.
This one, if you don't like sugar, you don't need to put sugar inside.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Ginger. I don't like ginger inside it.
It's nice. So guys, me, I'm not going to put nothing. I want it organic. Organic, no sugar at all. So I want it natural. Zero sugar. So 0 sugar, because this one is you don't need sugar at all. If you don't like sugar, it's natural. If you don't put sugar, your body is more better than putting sugar inside. Or so if you blend it with water, you need to put, if you have honey is more healthier. You mix it with honey. But me, I don't want to mix honey. I don't want to put any sugar. I just want it natural like that because it's tasty. Because me, when I blend only the carrot juice, I don't put sugar, nothing. I drink like that. It's okay. It's tasty. So that's why you have to look for a carrot that is nice and tasty. Some carrots are very tasty, so we use it. So now we are going to garnish. When you want to drink this, you can use ice cube inside or put inside the fridge to get it to get cold. The fridge. So I'm going to put, because I want to drink it now. I'm so I'm going to drink it. So now let's pour it inside a cup and garnish it. So guys, now the garnishing, we are sharing the drinks.
Mommy,
Sweetie.
I didn't put the carrot juice in the cup before.
Okay, you two put this one inside the cup. Don't mess the cup up.
Okay. Last but not least, ice shells.
So finish.
This is a mixed
So guys, this is the juice,
the mix,
the carrots and ginger mix.
the mix, special
So if you
mix.
like this video,
Subscribe,
forget to
subscribe, like, share,
and comment.
and download it if you have a new phone. Yeah.
So if you don't have
It's
any phone, you
amazing.
can
It's
download
nice.
it.
Without sugar, it's nice, guys. Try this.
Cheers.
I have to taste.
She's already drinking the juice. She's not even taking picture yet.
I like carrots.
Mommy
So
likes
guys,
carrots.
please subscribe and comment, like.
share.
You just feel like share this
Simple
wonderful recipe,
This is so.
and we did it today. So go and try it. It's amazing, organic, nothing inside, no water, no sugar, nothing.
No honey.
So it's amazing
Recipe.
and it's very, very beneficial for our body.
So
Yeah.
thank you for the new
Thank you for the subscribers, for
Thank
the
you for
returners, and for the new ones, and for the old
the
ones.
fans.
We say thank you, we
I
appreciate.
love you.
Hi, Mama. And share our video.
Yeah. And click to your channel.
Please
Channel is always
And
saying
if you have a new,
And
and if you have a new phone, download it.
Oh, Tagido's face was hidden here.
So, what are you saying, Shanghai? What do you want to tell the viewers?
Bye bye.
Only bye bye. Okay, bye bye, guys.